What's up everyone, it's your boy Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day, and my baby spilled puree all inside my iPhone, so it couldn't charge. And in this episode, we're going to find out that if you wash the puree out of your charging port, will it actually work again? So without further ado, let's test it out. I wiped some of the puree off already, but you might be able to see that there is more puree in there. Basically, when I plug it in, see, it says emergency liquid detection in USB-C connector. Disconnect charging cable to prevent damage to iPhone. Allow the connector to dry. This may take several hours. Disconnecting. However, fruit puree won't actually dry that well. So what we're gonna do, I hope I actually got that on camera. I'm gonna do it here some more. Yeah, there's still some fruit puree in there, but I'm hoping I blew it all out deeper into the iPhone. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, it always pays to get Apple insurance. I do the $10 a month one instead of paying $200 because if I keep this for like 4 years, I don't want I don't want the insurance to run out in 2 years. Because for the $10 a month, it runs indefinitely until you cancel it. Okay, so I used up all my water, so I didn't do it for this anchor for the USB-C charging port. I'm hoping I can blow enough away of the puree. So now let's try it, see if it works. Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. There's black bars on the screen because I think my 1/3200 frames per second is jiving with the frequency refresh rate of... All right, let's go. Still liquid detected. Alright, we're gonna let this dry for a couple hours and I'll keep you updated. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, it helps to come in clutch with a car that can do Qi or MagSafe charging. I'm hoping that works. Wait, there you go. Charging. So that way, even though it's inefficient, it's at least charging a dying phone when all the ports are wet and needs to be dried. So, thank you, Apple. Thank you, technology and the universe, for having MagSafe/Qi charging. Okay, moment of truth. Got the cord, got the anchor turned on, plugging it in, and it charges. And just so you know, I would only ever try washing the charging port at home if you have an iPhone 12 or newer, as to my understanding, they have higher water resistance. I wouldn't do it with iPhone 11 and older. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I only ever do Apple related content. Help me reach 1 million subscribers. I'm at 1,812 subscribers right now. That's over 998,000 more subscribers to go. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video.